All right, yet again, we're just going to be working with converting prefixes. Now this, they're asking us to go from kilometers to meters. And again, we're going to, as long as we have our table intact and we know what our exponents are, kilo, if we take a look, is 10 to the third. And the main unit fits in right here, and that's 10 to the 0. So remember, when we deal with converting from any two units to each other, we always start with the unit that they give us, and we write it like this. We write 5.0227 kilometers, and then we write what we want to get to afterwards. We want to know what it is in meters. And the trick way of doing this is by using exponents. Now, we just looked down below and we saw that kilo is 10 to the third. And meters, since it's a central unit, right? It's right here in the center. It's one of our main units. That's 10 to the 0. So what do? We put a 0 on top of this. 3 minus 0, and this we do is subtract exponents. 3 subtract 0 means that our new exponent is going to be times 10 to the third. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our number and we're going to put that in front of it. 5.0227 times 10 to the third. Now, this right here, if I have to say so myself, is a brilliant answer. This would be all day and all night. And by the way, this should be, we can never leave at our units because they're worth 10% of a problem. This is all the way good, but they wanted it as a decimal. So reminder of what we've done in previous videos. If you haven't, you might want to look back at a couple of them. But the rule is lefty largy, righty reducey. That means this: if we want to get our exponent to 10 to the 0, which means it's just a decimal by itself, we're going to have to reduce this exponent to 10 to the 0. That means we're going to have to move the decimal righty however many times we move it down. So that's going to be 3 places to the right. So we're going to have to go 1, 2, 3. And when we move it over like that, our new exponent, our new number is going to be 5.02 Let me scratch that because the exact opposite of what I wanted to do. I'm going to slide this over 3 places. 1, 2, 3. And so our new number is going to be 5022.7. And now it's going to be times 10 to the 0. But that's not 10 to the 0. But what is 10 to the 0 really? 10 to the 0 is 1. So our final answer is going to be 5022.7 meters. Hopefully this has been helpful.